Howdy y'all, Country Fried Gamer 150 here. In this video we're going to be featuring this 500 gram cake, Parrots Prattle from Brothers Fireworks. It's 36 shots. This is part of their Brothers heavyweights, and it's pretty heavy. When they say heavyweight, it actually is heavy, heavier than the other ones. The performance description is the colorful and noisy chattering of 36 birds, whistling birds in red and green palms with white flash and whistles. So yeah, obviously a lot of whistling going on here. If you'd like to watch all the fireworks I set off this Labor Day weekend, you can click the card at the end of this video to watch the stream, if the stream happened. Thank you all for coming out watching. Take care and God bless. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope to see you in the next video. Parrots Prattle in 3, 2, 1.